दोस्तों ये वीडियो देख के आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में बहुत अच्छे नंबर हासिल कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में हम जो भी क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं वो पास्ट एग्ज़ाम से आए हुए क्वेश्चन हैं। दोस्तों ये क्वेश्चन अगर आप अच्छे से समझोगे तो आप आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में कैसे क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं उसका आप एस्टिमेशन कर सकते हो और इस तरह से आप अपने एग्ज़ाम में ज़्यादा नंबर हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। ये क्वेश्चन हम 58 देख रहे हैं, इससे पहले हम 57 क्वेश्चन देख चुके हैं जिसको हमने 3 पार्ट में विभाजित किया हुआ है। तो आइए 58 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। दोस्तों इन सभी क्वेश्चन की आप प्रैक्टिस भी कर सकते हैं, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, वहाँ पे जाके आप इन क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं 58 क्वेश्चन। हमारा क्वेश्चन है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्रोविजन ऑफ सेक्शन 22 of the Information Technology Act 2000, every application for issue of a license shall be accompanied by a certification practice statement or statement including the procedure with respect to identification of the applicant and payment of such fees not exceeding 25,000 rupees as may be prescribed by the central government. 59th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? तो सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है, जो कि है स्टोर यूज्ड इन मेंटेनेंस ऑफ मशीनरी, बिल्डिंग एक्सेट्रा लाइक लुब्रिकेंट, कॉटन वेस्ट, ब्रिक्स एंड सीमेंट आर रिगार्डेड एज डायरेक्ट मटेरियल कॉस्ट। तो ये स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है। बाकी 3 स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, जो कि है इनडायरेक्ट मटेरियल प्लस इनडायरेक्ट लेबर प्लस इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस इज इक्वल टू ओवरहेड। तीसरा स्टेटमेंट भी करेक्ट है, डायरेक्ट मटेरियल प्लस डायरेक्ट लेबर प्लस डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस इज इक्वल टू प्राइम कॉस्ट। चौथा स्टेटमेंट भी करेक्ट है, जो कि प्राइमरी पैकिंग मटेरियल लाइक कार्टन, wrapping, कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्सेस एक्सेट्रा इज रिगार्डेड एज ए डायरेक्ट मटेरियल कॉस्ट। 60th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन 55 ऑफ द कंपनी एक्ट 2013, no company limited by share shall issue irredeemable preference share or preference share redeemable after expiry of 20 years from the date of issue except for such infrastructure project as may be specified under the Company Act 2013. 61st question. Any rule made under any of the provision of the Oil Field Regulation and Development Act 1948 may provide that contravention thereof shall be punishable with imprisonment which may be extended to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 1,000 rupees or both. Question number 62. As per Indian Accounting Standard IND, Indian Accounting Standard 1, a complete set of financial statement comprises of a balance sheet. First, a balance sheet as at the end of the period. Second, a statement of profit and loss for the period. Third, statement of change in equity for the period. Fourth, a statement of cash flow for the period. Fifth, notes comprising significant accounting policy and other explanatory information. So fourth is the correct answer, that is all. First, second, third, fourth and fifth all statements are as per Indian Accounting Standard 1, a complete set of financial statements. So all are right. So next question, which of the following statement is correct? So first statement is correct. Deduction under section 80D in respect of medical insurance premium is available to an individual or an HUF irrespective of residential status or citizenship. 64th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? So first statement is incorrect, that is deduction under chapter 6A are not available from income from house property. All other 3 statements are correct, that is deduction under chapter 6A are not available from long term capital gain. Deduction under chapter 6A are not available from short term capital gain cover under 111A. Deduction under chapter 6A are not available from casual income like winning from lottery, races, etc. Now moving to 65th question. According to cost auditing standard on planning on auditing of cost statements. Audit plan means a record of a planned nature, timing and extent of risk assessment procedure and further audit procedure at the assertion level in response to the assessed risks. 66th question. Quantity of inventory and manpower budgets are regarded as physical budget. Now moving to 67th question. With respect to in provision for intimation under section 143(1), no intimation shall be sent after the expiry of 1 year from the end of the financial year in which the return is made. The period of limitation will run from the date of filing of latest revised return. Now 68th question. Resource controlled by the enterprises as a result of past events from which future economic benefits are expected to flow to the enterprises is regarded as assets. 69th question. Reverse merger involves acquisition of public shell company by a private company as it helps private company to bypass length and complex process required to be followed in case it is interested in going public. Now moving to 70th question. AB Limited budget to make 1 lakh unit of product P. The variable cost per unit is rupees 10. Fixed cost are rupees 6 lakh. The finance director suggested that the cost plus approach should be used with the profit markup of 25%. What will be the selling price per unit? So answer is rupees 20. 71st question. As per the provision of the Sale of Good Act 1930, the definition of good does not include auctionable claim and money. 72 question. As per the section 14(3) of the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, any person whose certificate has been cancelled under this section shall not be eligible for registration or grant of prior permission for period of 3 years from the date of cancellation of such certificate. Now moving to the 73rd question. The question is, as per the Company Act 2013, minimum number of members required for a private company except 1% company are 2. Now 74th question. The completion of GAAP by the Institute of the Cost Accountant of India is a unique efforts to record principle and practice in the discipline of cost accountancy in India. What does GAAP stands for? It stands for Generally Accepted Cost Accounting Principles. Now moving to the 75th question. So question 75th is, internal rate of return for an investment proposal is the discount rate that equates the present value of the expected cash inflow with initial cash outflow. 76th question. So find out which statement is incorrect. Second statement is incorrect, that is, amalgamation and absorption are done to recognize the financial structure of the company and not done to cut competition and reap the economic in large scale. The statement is incorrect. All other 3 statements are correct. The first statement is, in absorption an existing company takes over the business of one or more existing company. In amalgamation, at least 3 companies are involved. In amalgamation, 2 or more companies are wound up and a new company is formed to take over their business. These 3 statements are correct. Now moving to 77th question. The Employee Provident Fund Act is now applicable to employee drawing pay not existing rupees 15,000 per month. The Employee Provident Fund is now applicable to an employee drawing pay not existing rupees 15,000 per month. 78th question. The payment of Gratuity Act 1972 came into effect from 16th September 1972. So that is the next question. 79th question. The oil fields, the Regulation and Development Act 1948 come into force from 25th October 1949. Moving to 80th question. The question is, according to the cost auditing standard on cost audit documentation, which of the following statement is incorrect? Second statement is incorrect. The statement is, name of the team member preparing specific audit documents and details of their review by the cost auditor are not necessary part of the audit documentation. This is incorrect statement. Other three statements are correct, that are, audit documentation may be in proper form or electronic form, may be in paper form or in electronic form. Where it is electronic form, special care may be required to protect against accidental deletion or tampering. Audit working paper are the document which record all evidence obtained during the audit. So this third statement is also correct. Fourth statement is also correct. This is, audit team means all personnel in performing an engagement, including an experts contacted by the firm in connection with that engagement. So 81st question. So now we will see 81st question in another part. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like video. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon button. Thank you.